Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to a day in my life as a freelance filmmaker and photographer in New York City. Unless I have an early morning project, most days start at 9 a.m., and the first order of business is always a shower. My morning routine is simple. I start by drinking 8 to 12 ounces of cold water with 1 scoop of athletic greens. I get a shipment of this greens mix every month, and it's full of vitamins, minerals, prebiotics, and probiotics, all rolled into one. It looks nasty, but it actually tastes pretty refreshing and healthy. Afterwards, I find a comfy spot in my apartment to have my quiet time with God. I'll usually read a chapter of the Bible in the YouVersion Bible app, which has tons of helpful reading plans based on any topic. Starting each day with my mind at peace always helps me treat others better and have a more productive day. So that is my quick morning routine. After that, I'll normally go out into the city and shoot a video project or work as a production assistant on a film shoot. But this is actually a pretty chill week. So today I'm gonna be working from home. I'm gonna be checking some emails, contacting clients, and working on this YouTube channel. I found that I'm most productive when I just jump into my work at the beginning of the day. Even if I don't feel like it, I've just found that it really helps with procrastination. So today I'm gonna be doing my most difficult tasks first, which aren't that difficult today, thankfully, and then go on with the rest of my day from there. I use 3 applications for my productivity system. First, I use To-Do to list all of the tasks I need to get done throughout the week. I love this application because it allows me to see everything I need to get done throughout the whole week, so I can make sure that each day is fairly balanced. For all time-sensitive tasks such as meetings and deadlines, I use the Apple Calendar app. I use this application because it quickly syncs with all of my Apple devices and allows me to subscribe to all of my Google calendars, keeping everything in one place. The last productivity application I use is the Apple Notes app. I've been using this for years and it just keeps getting better. I have all my notes organized in folders, and this is where I brainstorm ideas for YouTube videos, write scripts, organize finances, and more. After completing the most critical tasks of the day, I eat a light breakfast. I usually eat a protein bar, oatmeal, or if I'm feeling ambitious, eggs and bacon. I've done intermittent fasting for years, and usually don't eat breakfast until 11 a.m. Okay guys, I'm here with Sophie. Just got most of my work done, have one more thing to do. So when you're in New York City, it gets pretty boring working from home all the time. So we're gonna go to one of the mini coffee shops in Brooklyn, one called White Noise. So we're gonna take you guys with us, and here we go. A change of scenery is key to staying productive as an entrepreneur. Whether that means taking a walk around the block or working in another office, I always try to stay moving throughout the day. White Noise is a beautiful, quiet coffee shop just a few blocks away from my apartment. And my last critical task of the day is a logo that I'm designing for the campus ministry of all 5 boroughs in the New York City area. After an hour of working on this project, it's time to head home. Just got back from the coffee shop, guys, and now we are here with Isaiah.
Hey guys.
And we're gonna be cooking some blue apron, some chicken orzo, some ingredients I've never heard of, but right after lunch, we're gonna be doing some really exciting stuff in the city, so stay tuned. Okay guys, we just finished lunch and watched the latest episode of Loki, which comes out every Wednesday. But now we're gonna go out into the city and try to get some dope Instagram pictures of us on our Super 73 bikes. And kind of the goal with this is to come up with something that Super 73 might repost on their Instagram, just to get more exposure and honestly, just to have fun and take some cool pictures. So we're gonna go out into Brooklyn and go to Prospect Park and see what kind of content we can get. just got back to the apartment, and honestly, it was way hotter outside than we realized, so we didn't go all the way to Prospect Park. We kind of just stayed where we were and took some photos on the street, but that's how it is when you're out taking photos. You know, you have to adjust to the lighting, to the weather conditions, but I'm gonna upload the photos to my computer, edit some of them, post one on Instagram, and hopefully Super73 will repost it. We'll see what happens. Working for clients and bosses can sometimes exhaust your creative muscles and just take away that passion you have for creating things. That's why I try to chase after my own ideas whenever I have a free afternoon. And the lessons I learn from these low-pressure, fun projects always translate to new ideas I can use on client work. Okay, so we edited some of the photos, Isaiah posted one on his Instagram, and sure enough, not 20 minutes later, the New York Super73 Instagram account reposted it, so mission accomplished. It's been an awesome day, and now we're just gonna wind down, chill, eat some dinner, and finish out the day. A huge key to a healthy and fulfilling life as an entrepreneur is setting aside time for community. While I try to go to different community events throughout the week, every Wednesday I hop on Zoom with a group of college students in the city who are a part of my church. We always have an encouraging lesson and time to break up into small groups and discuss the things going on in our lives. It's always refreshing. As the sun sets, I get ready to wind down. After watching some Netflix and talking with my roommate, I like to sit down and write down a general outline for the next day. I don't consider this a productivity tool as much as it is to help me relieve stress. Being able to visualize how the next day will go gives me the peace of mind to go to bed and not worry that I won't be prepared for the next day. I also try not to be on my phone within 30 minutes of bedtime because the blue light from screens makes it harder to fall asleep. Now, I don't always do this, but I try to read a book until I get tired, and it's usually something by Malcolm Gladwell. Right now I'm reading Outliers. And that's my day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.